Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into GitHub and verify you control the new Gmail address. You need account access now because changing email updates notifications and recovery. Once signed in, open Settings Right Arrow Emails and keep your backups ready. Make sure local repos are clean by running git status and pushing pending commits. This prevents lost work when updating commit email later. Now proceed to add the new address in your account so verification can begin. You add the Gmail by navigating to Settings, Emails, and using Add Email. Type it exactly to avoid typos. After submission, check your Gmail inbox and spam for the verification message. Click the link promptly because some links expire. Once verified, return to GitHub and set the new address as primary to receive notifications and recover account access. Make sure your security options, notifications, and two-factor reflect the new email so alerts use the correct. You finish by updating your local Git identity. Run git config global user. Email you@nugmail.com and, if needed, rewrite recent commits to reflect the new author email. Then review organization settings and notification preferences to ensure access continuity. If something goes wrong, first resend the verification link and inspect spam or Gmail filters. Make sure no forwarding rule intercepted the message. If still blocked, sign out and back. Then retry from settings. This often clears session-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.